I'm Doug VerHoeven from Holland, Michigan. I was born and raised on this farm right here. Have lived here my whole life, and so this is where my roots are. At the age of 16, I was in an automobile accident that left me paralyzed from the waist down.
When Doug had his accident, it was a shockwave to the whole school. There wasn't any of us that could have put ourselves in Doug's shoes.
You wonder, how are you ever going to live again, and how are you ever going to do life again? Especially living on a farm. How would you ever do that without being able to walk and use your legs? Okay, so the lift, we're getting the power on here. We'll show you how that goes. We had to make the equipment wheelchair friendly, user friendly, in order for me to get on them. So as you'll see, kind of how we've adapted things to make that happen. Then also this gives you the freedom to work on the machine as well and work on different things if you need to do some stuff on it and so on. Being in partnership with AgrAbility has opened up some doors as well. AgrAbility is there to help those that have become injured and those that want to continue with life. We're going to show you how we would take the gator and hook up to a wagon and move that. So we're hooked up. Now we're going to take them for a ride. Farming is expensive today, and also having a disability along with it can be expensive as well. So AgrAbility has come along to help us with some of those resources that we needed as well to be able to continue to do this. So we're thankful for that. Then we unhook it right there. We pull on the rope, which releases the mechanism to unhook the wagon and drive away.
Even though some things were taken away from him, he has also received, and he is willing to share those gifts with other people and show them how they can succeed and live life to its fullest no matter what your circumstances are.
Over the years, other people that have gotten paralyzed or injured have come to the farm. Something as simple as showing them how to get on the lawnmower and cut grass. They think that when they're in the wheelchair, that's what they're confined to, and they don't know they can really do other things until you show them. And we do have a ministry called Fulfilling Life Ministries, as we share with other people as well and host events here and so on. So if we can come alongside of someone else that's been injured and they feel like there's no hope, they feel like, where are they going to go from here? We can come alongside of them and show them that there's life, that there's a reason to get up every morning. People have given me opportunities to go places, do things, hunt and fish and farm and live life. And so I guess I always want to be able to give that back. I believe that we're blessed to be a blessing.